all night long, all night, all night.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have a special guest. This is my mum.
Hello.
So yes, this should be quite a funny video. Yeah, Mum, you don't really like slime, do you? And you've never made it, and you don't really know anything about it. So what we're gonna do is just you can pick what glue you want, what shaving cream, what contact solution, then what you want to put in it, what colour, and then hopefully you'll make a nice slime. Let's get into the video. Okay, so we're gonna start with glue because that's the first thing, isn't it? Yeah.
Guess so.
So what glue do you want to use?
I will use the big one. This one.
Okay, so pour how much you want in. Why are you doing it so carefully?
That's what I
Not
want.
that much.
How much do you need?
I don't know,
Can I feel the base?
Feel the base, yeah.
Ugh.
What's that? It's just glue.
Okay, enough?
Why? Okay, yeah,
I feel like I'm baking.
Okay. And then what colour do you want to do? You can go look at the paint.
Orange.
Okay, so we have the orange. So go on, put how much you want in. Be careful.
Ew.
Yeah. Okay, so just on the colour. Mum, do you like the colour?
Love it.
Perfect. What did you just say it was?
Marbled.
You're not really in the shot, actually. You're too tall.
You brought the best part of me. My neck.
No. Okay, and then shaving foam, which one do you want to use?
It dips sky blue. Who's it? Not you. The blue one.
That one.
Mhm.
Okay, shake it and then squirt it in. Keys. Okay, stir it. Well done. Got the neck bit. Your arm's aching yet?
Yeah.
What?
Now what?
Do you want to add more in, or
No, I
do you
like
think
it.
that's how we're gonna play with it?
I'm not touching it with my hands.
No, you need more. It's testicle. Pop it in. Okay. You know you've got to touch it afterwards.
No.
Yeah.
I'm touching it now.
It's not touching it. Okay, what do you want to add into it?
Glitter.
Do you want to add glitter or rainbow foam or both?
Both.
Okay. What do you want to put in first?
Rainbow foam.
Okay, go on. Go on, pour in how much you want.
Whoa.
Is that done?
Yep.
Oh, look at that. And then, okay, do you want to stir that in or do you want to put the glitter in now?
Glitter in there.
Okay, what colour do you want? Or you can have all colours.
No, purple.
Which one? That one? Which one?
Yeah. Pop it.
Can it? Yeah.
Don't make it go everywhere.
I can't do it. I can't do it.
Don't break my nails. Okay, we have a problem.
We do have a problem. We can't open the Wilco's glitter.
Stop
No,
the video.
using the
Can't do it.
Yeah.
What I was saying.
Okay, so we're going to have to do gold.
Yeah, so I can't get it off.
God, Mum's getting used to this. Gave her the pot. Didn't even sit down for it. Go on, turn it on. Whew. Your creation.
Croatian.
Creation.
It's all over my hand. Ew.
Looks like a hamster. Okay, go on. Now you have to pick up your fingers and knead
I'm
it in.
not touching it.
There you are.
What?
More glitter.
Mm.
By the way, it's in the cap of my glue. So I lost the bottle. No, the bottle lost its lid. Go on, now I have to pick it up and start
No
kneading
way.
it. Yeah.
I can't.
Shall I try?
Way.
Well, hey, this is your master creation, mother.
Is that the best one to date? No?
Yeah? Of course it is.
Oh. Say the right things. Whoa.
Let's It's a bit sticky.
A bit sticky. Oh, don't, I'm about to go out. See Lionel? Oh no!
It's on your nails. Let's put some contact solution. So guys, this is the final creation. It's a tad sticky, but it's alright. What's your thoughts on it, Mum?
Perfect.
She
Yay!
touched it.
10 out of 10. Beautiful.
And sweet.
Looks like a brain.
A brain. What do you want to call your slime?
Fizz bomb.
Fizz bomb.
Mm.
Sure, we'll go with it. Anyway, what do you have to ask them to do? You have to ask our viewers to do.
Please,
Yeah.
not sign in, vote, tick, like.
Yeah,
love.
like, and what else?
Say. Am I really embarrassing? Sorry, Izzy.
And what else? What else do they have to do? The big red button?
Stop.
No.
That's a big red button.
No, you have to subscribe.
Subscribe.
And turn on the notification bell so
Turn the
they
notification
can
bell.
hear from every
So
time we
They can hear
upload.
every time we can upload.
And also, maybe we'll get you to do another video, and they don't want to miss that, do they?
Absolutely.
So if you enjoyed this video, go like it. Leave a comment. What should they comment about?
Please.
What should they say?
They
You
should
got
say
questions for
how
them?
fantastic my slime has been
Yeah.
and how much I've been inspired by my wonderful YouTube daughter. What else can I say? I'm off to see Lionel Richie in concert. All night long, all night, all night.
Bye.
Bye.
She just